Yo, hello everyone and welcome back to a brand new video. Unleash the full potential of your Cloudways hosting by connecting your Namecheap domain in 2023. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the integration process of the Namecheap domain to Cloudways, ensuring a seamless experience for your website. So, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have the full information. So guys, the first thing is to head up to your namecheap.com website. So here it is, namecheap.com, and then we have to get a domain name. It's very easy, guys. All you have to do is click on domains on that page itself, and then you will be able to see that page. So here, simply just write anything you have in mind. For example, your name, it can be your nickname, your project name, your enterprise organization name, or your country name. Whatever you have in mind, you just have to write it here. As an example for us, let's write Titan Ltd. And then let me just click on search, and here we go. So now in this page, they will probably, or they're not probably, they will give us all the things that we can buy, all the domain names that we can buy, with all the like abbreviation like .com, .org, .net, .ai, and its own prices. As an example, here there is .io, which is gonna be for 39. There is .bio with $3, Pro $3, Health 34. So it actually varied from domain to another. There are some domains that actually being bought by others, but we can still make an offer to them. For example, titanltd.com, we can still make an offer to the person and still get it from it if you're really interested in getting that domain. But for us in general, we don't really want it. All we need to do is simply get something like cheap enough for us. As an example, there's this Titan TD Pro. We can go for it. So simply just click on add to cart, and then we just have to wait a little bit. And here, if you do want to add any add-ons, for example, you can add a business name or email. There is SSL certificate, there is premium DNS, VPN, social media manager, WordPress hosting, and web hosting. You can get all of these if you want, but of course there is some that will cost you extra money, and there is some that will be for free for the first month or year. Now let's go and click on the checkout button, and it will be in the checkout page. Now guys, this domain is only $3 for the first year. As you can see here, it is only 85% off for the first year. So don't get too excited. It will not be like that for always. It will only be like that for the first year. So in case you were only willing to use it for 1 year or 5 months or 6 months and then stop it, then I highly recommend you guys to turn this to 1 year, and then if this auto renew was on, make sure to turn it off. This is very important, guys. So after 5 months you might really just forget about it, and you forgot that you have a website that is being on the auto renew, and after a year you will be charged around $20 on your bank account, and you can't really get it back. So this is a very important step to do. Then the next thing is, if you do have a promo code, you can put it. For example, I'm going to use honey to get a promo code. Copy, paste it here and see if it's gonna work. It's giving me like a 5% off selected domains, hosting, SSL, and emails. Click on confirm, and then you will be on that page. This page is basically where you have to pick up your account, create an account if you don't have, and if you do have an account, simply just log in. For me, I'm just going to log in into my already existing account. So just like that, I am now on my account, and here, as you can see, they given you the options of paying. So here there is the card payments, which is simply just by putting your name on card, on the card number and the month and year, and then the CVC code, or you can pay using PayPal, or of course the account funds that you have on the Namecheap account. So for now I have zero funds. What are the benefits of having funds in your account? Basically, if you are a very active user that's buying domains every day and another every time, you can really just use this balance to make it to have some balance in your account, instead of like going through the process of putting your payments informations, etc. You can just have your balance in your Namecheap account. Whenever you want to use them, you can use them. And the more important thing is, for those who want to buy domains or stuff like that, or hosting using crypto, you can actually get some funds using crypto currencies as Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and even more, as you can see right in front of you. Now, after that, all you need to do is click on continue, and then you will be able to have the receipt in your inbox. Make sure to activate the website, and there you have it in the dashboard. After you go to your account, click on dashboard, you will have your email or your domain name in your dashboard. So as you can see, here it is. These are the products. This is the expiration date, and these are like some verification for the contacts. Well, this is it for getting the domain. Now for the second step, which is connecting the domain of Namecheap with Cloudways. So simply first we have to go to Cloudways. Here we go. And here, just wait a little bit until it's opened. Here we go. So here you have too many options, but the most important thing is to go for pricing and get yourself any of these plans. Well, basically they are giving you plans for multiple websites. So for them, there is no limitation of the amount of websites that you can link to their hostings, unlike other like platforms. And yeah, you can just pick whatever how much RAM and storage you want to be in your hosting, and then you can buy it. So it's very easy, guys. They also give you a free SSR and free migration in case you didn't have any of these. They will give it to you. So instead of buying through your Namecheap account, you can simply just have it inside of your hosting and connect your domain to your hosting. And just like that, you will be able to have an SSL certificates on your websites, on all your websites that you will link them to this hosting. So this is a very, very good thing to have. Now, beside that, how can we actually connect to Cloudways? Well, basically, once you buy your domain name on Namecheap and you get your hosting on Cloudways, by going to your Cloudways dashboard, you can go to connect to domain. After that, make sure to choose name servers. You have an option that says name servers, and then here on your domains that you find in Namecheap, click on your domains, click on manage, and then you will have this page opened for you. Here you will find name servers. Click in them, and then right here custom DNS. And simply here put the two name servers that you will find inside of your Cloudways account. It is very easy, guys. Now there is, if you do have more than one, you can click on add, but in case you didn't want to connect it that way, but you wanted to connect them using advanced DNS, which are by connecting or creating new records, simply just click on advanced DNS, and then here start by adding unique records. There will be in general 4 records. 2 records will be as CNAME, and 2 records will be as IP addresses, depending if they are PV6 or PV4. You can choose AAA4 or A record. So this is how it really works. And once you do these steps that I have been telling you, you will be able to actually make it work. Otherwise, if you do want to just make your domain name redirect you to your hosting, simply just remove this destination. Here we go, and then click on add redirect. Basically, this will what it will do is it will take your domain name. Once someone write this domain name, it will be redirected to another page, whatever page you have in mind. It can be even google.com. So these are the uses of this page in your Namecheap account. And yeah, guys, that was it for today's video. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.